Check it out, guys. These are going to sail today as well. On the other side we have the big Malaria doing a test with live rafts. Look, this is the boat that was last year in Ibiza. It has like I think a Czech captain. I don't know where they are going today, but yeah, they might even sail in my direction. How cool is this boat? Awesome. That's the real pirate ship. Awesome, he might actually be sailing next to me. Oh, there's so many waves today. Yeah, you can't see it yet, but hey, there's been a big storm for the last week. So I think it's gonna be pretty rough. Not much wind today, 5 to 10 knots, but enough to get to Gabia or maybe even Murcia. We'll see, I've got some groceries done, so let's see where I end up. Check that out. The boat is too big to turn. So what do? They use a dinghy to make the boat turn. Check that out. Ah. I'm in front of the wind. I'm rocking the boat, and I don't have this often, but I took a little pill, like a seasickness pill. Got a bit of a headache. I'm cold and I'm nauseous. Oh, I feel like a beginner. I don't know what's wrong, but yeah, I've been inside doing some bits and pieces, but can't believe I can still get a little bit of seasick after all these years. But check that out. Oh my god, can you imagine driving something like that? That's just insane. But hey, I'm not in a rush. I was supposed to go to Gabia, but Gabia is over there and I still have a lot of light. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue sailing a little bit, and I'll see where I drop the anchor. Oh, Melinda, Karin, Ingrid, you ladies are awesome! You are my first 3 patrons. I'm gonna think of something nice for you ladies. So, well, actually something nice for the first 10, but you 3 are amazing. Thank you so much. I'm sailing here in front of, what is it? Xabia. And yeah, I want to be around the corner before it gets dark, because I have some waves and I want to sleep quiet. So throw my anchor, have a good night's rest, and tonight I'm gonna make some nice videos for you. Hey, thank you so much, thank you so much. So actually Saturday night it's gonna be a very big storm, so I might even hop into the harbor and take a nice shower from your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So just got behind the island. You can see the wind just died. Got a little bit of wind and a little bit of the motor, and you can see a little island there in the back. And I hope the swell is not too big there, because you can see there's still a pretty big swell going on here. Oh, actually, with the glaring of the water you can't really see it. Can you see it there? Yeah, you can see it a little bit. So there's a pretty bit of swell. Hopefully behind the island there's no swell, so I can get a good sleep tonight and edit some nice movies for you guys. I want to do some editing, get up to date, and yeah, I'm happy, guys. I don't know what it is. The clouds are disappearing. Tomorrow it's gonna be nice weather, sunshine, so I'll be sailing in the sunshine tomorrow. How incredible does this place look right now? The sun is coming out, putting its smile on these rocks. Check that sunset. Oh my god. I was looking for a place to shelter because there's a lot of swell. I don't know if you can see it, but look at that, there's a pretty big swell. So I decided to find a little bay, and it's gonna be behind this rock, and I think I found a perfect spot. Check out this amazing place where I've just dropped anchor. Sunset, check these cliffs, check these walls, the sun putting its smile on it. Check the houses. It's incredible. I'm gonna do some fishing. Hopefully I'm gonna catch something. There is a little bit of swell. I've got some waves, so it won't be a completely comfortable night, but hey, you can't complain with a view like this. Check this. It's amazing. This is too insane. Oh, good morning. Breakfast, most important meal of the day. Sandwiches with some fresh eggs. That's what I like. That's what gets me started. That's what my tummy needs.